Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the love and support by watching all my videos. And last week is my birthday. I just want to thank you for all the birthday greetings and the gift that I received from the two person that I love the most in YouTube channel. So and the first time I met them, we traveled to Italy. I just met them and I was so lucky to have them as my friend. They are really true friend and I love them very much. I have a gift from Mommy Groovy. Thank you so much for the gift. Mommy Groovy is very jolly, very generous, as in very generous. And can you imagine all the food, the meal in the restaurant, she is the one who paid. So the one she gave me is, let's read the card and I'm gonna show you what's written. Yeah, a true friend. Mali yata. I just read it to you guys. A true friend remembers your birthday, but not your age. And I just smile. It's true. And then what she said is, have a lovely day from Mommy Groovy. Thank you so much, Mommy Groovy. I love you. So, I met Mommy Groovy in YouTube when we do our, we're not monetized before. When I met her, I do remember what she told me. That was 2 years ago. Sabi niya sa akin, Bet, walang iwanan. Tandaan mo yan. Yeah, so, hindi niya ako iniwan. She is always there. So, I'm the one who left. I'm the one who left because I stopped YouTube channel when I reached my when something happened to my watch hour. So I stopped doing YouTube, then I come back again, and I should not tell it here. Okay, Mommy Groovy's gift is, here it is. It's a perfume, and you know the smell is so nice. Look, this is the brand, and I know this is expensive. Let's try it. Smells nice. So thank you, Mommy Groovy, for the perfume. I love it. And once more, my boss, the half of birthday gift that my boss gave me, and their family. It's from Jade, Rebecca, Anwar, Zachary, and Layla. I worked for them for 2 years now. And Marulit TV gift to me is this one. You see how cute this one, and she told me that this is for your short video. Use this for your short video. Thank you, Marilu. Marilu and I were friends 2 years ago. When we're not monetized channel, we're helping each other. So until now, the band is become bigger. So I'm her older sister now. So we love each other so much. And this is her gift aside from this one, because I do short videos. So she told me use this one. So I don't have time yet, Marilu. I will use this for my short. And this one is the good luck charm from Naples, Italy. I did not open it, this one. Yeah, how to open this? I don't know how to open this. Okay, I'm struggling to open. This one is a keychain from Napoli, Italy. Thank you much. And the Tutti bag. Charan! I love Napoli. Because we're in Naples, Italy. Yeah. Thank you so much, Marilu TV. And this is a last because I left my son here. So when I come back, and because I left on the 22, my birthday is on the 21st, and when I come back, this one I saw it, and this is from my son, and Jaran, it's a birthday cake. She buy me this one, a birthday cake. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. First bite of my birthday cake is to all my loyal subscriber and YouTube channel. Thank you so much for supporting my small YouTube channel. I am very, very grateful to all of you. Let's enjoy the cake. Chocolate cake. Wow. This for you guys. Sarap. Chocolate cake. Binili na lang siya ng anak ko kasi sabi ko, nak, don't buy the big cake because I'm on diet. I'm already big. And he buy this one for me just to taste. I need to lose weight. Sarap. This is my happiest birthday ever because the thing I love the most is traveling. So I want to travel with pleasure. I usually travel, I think, 15 countries and 20 cities, but it's work related. So this is my first time traveling with pleasure with friends. So I want to continue doing this, and first I need to find a travel buddy because I can't travel alone. So I need to find a special someone out there that who will be accompany me every time I want to travel. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching, and God bless us all.